The Nissan Leaf II, produced from 2017 to 2023, features an adjustable steering wheel for optimal comfort and control. This video guides you through the simple process of adjusting both the tilt and telescopic positions. Proper adjustment reduces fatigue and enhances driving safety. This is a standard feature. Ensure you utilize it to your advantage for the best driving experience. The adjustment lever is located on the left side of the steering column, underneath the steering wheel. Visually, identify the lever. It's a small handle designed to be easily accessible. In some higher trims, it may be a button, but the functionality remains the same. To unlock the steering wheel for adjustment, gently pull the lever downwards. You should feel or hear a click indicating the locking mechanism has been released. If you have a button, press it to unlock. The steering wheel is now free to move. With the lever unlocked, move the steering wheel up or down to your desired tilt angle. Find a position that provides a clear view of the instrument panel and feels comfortable for your arms and shoulders. The tilt range is approximately 30 degrees. While the lever is still unlocked, push the steering wheel inwards or pull it outwards to adjust the telescopic reach. Position the wheel so your wrists can comfortably rest on the top of the wheel while your shoulders remain relaxed. The telescopic range is approximately 2 inches. Once you've achieved your desired tilt and reach, push the lever back up to its original position to lock the steering wheel in place. Ensure the wheel is securely locked by gently trying to move it. It should not budge. If you have a button, release it to lock. Adjust the steering wheel only when the vehicle is stationary to ensure safety during adjustments. Aim for a position where the steering wheel hub aligns with your sternum and your wrists rest comfortably on the wheel. Improper wheel position can increase accident risk by 20 to 30%. Remember to check your adjustments before each drive, especially if someone else has driven the car. While the Leaf II relies on manual steering wheel adjustment, newer electric vehicles incorporate AI-driven personalization, where the wheel automatically adjusts based on driver profiles stored through apps like Nissan Connect. Looking ahead, future electric vehicles may even adjust steering based on biometric data, such as detecting driver fatigue through cameras to improve safety and comfort. For current Leaf II owners, aftermarket upgrades like heated steering wheels are available to enhance comfort and convenience. However, remember that these modifications may void your vehicle warranty. These advancements represent the evolving landscape of electric vehicle ergonomics.